after clicking over this link, this site will open, and here you need to put 6-digit exam code. Here I am using a demo exam code. We will provide you your exam code on the day your test starts, and you will use your detailed assessment roll number to enter into the test. So one thing to note here is you need to enter your roll number only to enter into the test. And click on go, confirm your name, then click on confirm and start test. Click on OK. Now the questions are here, your name is reflected over here, your roll number is here, and then your exam code is mentioned. Now while entering into the test, you have entered a 6-digit exam code, but here it is shown as 7-digit, so you need not to worry about that. The last digit added is a set number. So you can continue your test, just answer the questions. I will answer the questions randomly. See, you have to answer each and every question very carefully. Now if you find any question difficult, you can skip that. Like here, ninth question, if you don't know the answer of this question, you can skip this and you can do it later. I haven't answered question number 9. I have answered question number 10 now. See, one more tab here appears to us, that is review test, sorry. So you need not to click on this review test. You will only click on this review test tab once you are done with all your questions in the test. So attempt each and every question. I have answered almost all question. Now I am on last question, and see, next question tab is not visible to me. Now the only tab visible is review test. So now you need to click on review test, and the list of questions and your responses would reflect over here. Now see, question number 9 we have left, we didn't do earlier, so we would click on question number 9. Now we can attempt this question. Now you will click on back to review. This way you can review all your questions attempted by you. If you want to revise your test, revise your questions what you have answered, then you can click on that particular question number. You can check whether you have answered correctly or not. If you have time, you can review the test, all the questions, then in the last you would click on back to review, and then click on complete test, then click on OK. So here your score will be visible to you, and it means your test has been submitted successfully. Then you would click on done.